How to turn off a Verizon Kyocera flip phone or on. Anyways, what you're gonna do is just open up your phone like so, and then you're gonna focus on your keypad. So open the phone, then just press and hold the power or the end button, which is this. So it's going to be the red button over here, and then until the screen lights up or the Kyocera logo appears. Then you can go ahead and press and hold the same button, which is this button over here, until the phone powers down or the screen turns off. Now that's one way you can turn it on or off, and if it's not responding or not turning on, you can make sure it is charged. So plug the phone with its charger. Of course, it's a valid charger for a few minutes, then you can try the same method again. If not, you could just remove the battery. It should be found on the back panel of your phone. Just remove the battery and then reinsert the battery if it still won't turn on or off. But anyways, those are a few options you have if you want to turn on or off your Verizon Kyocera flip phone. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.